my channel guys. Nandito na naman po ako at gusto kong mag-enjoy sa vacation na to, okay? So first day po namin ngayon guys at nandito kami ngayon sa Sandal, St. Lucia, okay? So ayan, gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo tong lazy river dito nila ngayon, okay? Kung makikita nyo po, ayan, dito sa likuran namin, mahaba po to. Kaya gusto ko po kayong pasyal dito, okay?
I can do both?
Yeah.
I think I can do both. No, I don't want. I'll push you around. You lay in it, I push you. That's good. Put those over on the chair, cover up my little bag, and then I'll move to my dog. Thank you very much.
So ayun guys, yan, meron kaming sariling salbabida na gagamitin kasi kinuha yung aming salbabida, natalikod lang kami tapos may kumuha na, kaya ayan, napilitan kami gamitin yung aming pinakatagot-tagot na salbabida. Yan. So yun, ito po yung aming unang araw at mag-i-enjoy po kami dito ngayon, okay? At nung unang video ko, na-share ko na po sa inyo kung na-share ko na po sa inyo yung aming tour. So nakita nyo na po, ng mga nakapanood, nakita nyo na po yung aming tour na ginawa. Okay, so ngayon, ito, mag-enjoy lang po kami rito sa swimming pool. Ito po yung tinatawag na Lazy River. Okay, so marami pong mga bulaklak dito guys, kung makikita nyo, ayan. Ako na yung, ano ngayon, model ng mga bulaklak, okay? So, pagpasensyahan nyo lang po at ayan, nag-enjoy ako sa mga bulaklak rito, okay? So, see you later. At yung aking driver, ayan, nagantay na sa akin. Panay tingin na siya sa akin. O, ayan. Ayan. What?
Your water chauffeur awaits you.
Whatever. Okay. Gusto kong i-enjoy yung aking salbabida na binili pa sa Amazon.
Thank you very much. I'm a come. What? A lot of calories.
It's okay. That is once upon a time.
Oh, good. You can hear them?
Okay.
Oh, no.
Ayan. Ayan yung aking hubby at umorder po siya ng piña colada. Wow.
Yum, yum.
Special delivery.
Lots of calories.
Lots of calories. Piña colada. So, ayan guys, ito yung medyo sikat na ano dito, piña colada. Ayan.
Okay, y'all.
Oops.
You gotta go inside.
What happened?
Leaf on the floor.
on. So, ayun guys, kung makikita nyo, yan, banda doon. Yan, maraming mga tao doon. Oh, hindi naman marami. Konti, pero this place, quiet only. Yan, hindi siya very crowded. Pag pumunta ka sa main pool, very crowded doon. Over there also they have another swimming pool. Yan, ang daming mga puno rito kaya hindi siya masyadong mainit. At yan, dyan banda yung aming room. First floor. Ayan, nagkatuwaan yung mga tao doon.
Now, why isn't she pushing me around? I should be the one getting pushed around. Well, we go down there. There you go.
But you have till 7, so you have 2 more hours of drink.
I'm going to off first.
I got video.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't keep that in the water. You have it on. Turn it off.
Going back.
That's what it was.
I'm not that old.
But I am.
Hey.
I can't believe you told that girl.
Okay, I'm going to take it these steps. You get off.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I don't
Here,
want you
here,
going
here,
this
here.
far. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah. I'm not heavy, so don't act like
Why?
I'm
It must be
heavy.
the current.
So, ayun guys, yan, kung nakita nyo yung Lazy River, yan, doon yun. Okay. So, balik muna ako sa room namin. Yan. Oh, dito na pala. Yan.